Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at the HiBoost Travel 3.0 Truck Cell Phone Booster. This is the upgraded version. It works with all US carriers, has online support, remote monitoring, and 50 decibel max gain on it. Really, really nice, easy to install, and this is 5G compatible. I will be installing this, and we will give you some more results down the road. But anyways, the way this works is you have your antenna or receiver that goes up on the top. You have your converter and your receiver that goes inside. So you have an antenna, a receiver, and your power supply slash. This is really nice. Wow. This is really heavy duty, has a heat sink built in the top of it, rubber around the sides so it's not loud. It's got your DC adapter for power and your outdoor antenna attachment. On the other side, it has your indoor attachment for your receiver and your USB-C port. So it has your antenna right here with large extensions, so you can really get that up there if you're putting this on like a semi. Comes with all the necessary things here. So you got your, we're going to pull this out just so you can see it. Your antenna right here, nice large antenna. You have a whole bunch of line here. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Then you have mounting bracket, 12-volt adapter with a USB-A hookup, so you can still plug in your charger. And then you have your receiver right here. Really, really nice kit from HiBoost. Was sent to us for review.